Neck bones, whether pork or beef, tell a quiet but powerful story of survival and skill in African American food history. With little meat but deep flavor, neck bones were often discarded or overlooked. For enslaved Africans, however, they were invaluable. These scraps became essential tools for building meals when resources were scarce and choices were limited. True value of neck bones wasn't in how much meat they carried, but in what they could become. Through slow simmering, collagen, marrow, and connective tissue transformed plain water into rich, nourishing broth. That broth then seasoned beans, greens, rice, and stews, adding depth, body, and sustenance to foods that might otherwise lack substance. This technique reflects African culinary traditions that prized patience, layering, and extracting every possible ounce of nourishment. Neck bones didn't disappear with emancipation. They remained a staple during Reconstruction and the Great Depression, when economic hardship again forced families to stretch what little they had. In these moments, neck bones fed households not because they were plentiful, but because knowledge made them powerful. Across the Carolinas, Georgia, and the Mississippi Delta, neck bones became embedded in Southern Black cooking. Today, they remain a marker of tradition, less about nostalgia and more about memory. They remind us that flavor doesn't come from abundance, but from time, technique, and understanding passed down through generations. Neck bones are more than seasoning meat. They are proof that even the humblest ingredients can carry history, care, and resilience. Pushpin, come back tomorrow for the next dish in Soul Food Stories as we continue our 28-day journey through Black food history.